Welcome back to NYSE TV Live, everyone. We're down here on the floor for the moment you've all been waiting for, of course, the chance to speak with today's bell ringers, an incredible organization, and we want to learn more about it. Zero Prostate Cancer and NYSE-listed Novartis rang the opening bell to celebrate its Blitz the Barriers initiative. And joining me now here on the floor, off that opening bell podium, is Courtney Bugler. She's the CEO and president of Zero Prostate Cancer. Courtney, welcome, and thank you so much for joining.
Thank you for letting us be here and be a part of this great day.
Yeah, it's truly incredible. And what does it mean to your organization to be part of this NYSE platform to really spread the message of what you're doing?
Well, this is Men's Health Month, and this June, it's an opportunity for us to be a part of this amazing platform to really spread the word to millions of those who may not know that they're at risk of prostate cancer. And so we're really excited to be a part of this day and this opportunity to be able to share the word about what we're doing with our partner Novartis and our mission to save 100,000 lives in the next 10 years.
It's an incredible mission. And how are you going to get there teaming up with Novartis?
Novartis is one of our lead founding partners of Blitz the Barriers, and it is the largest prostate cancer initiative in U.S. history. And what that means is we're going to be going into communities with greatest need and communities and populations that need a little bit extra in order to make sure that we can improve and save lives from prostate cancer.
And how can this become a reality?
Well, one of the things that it can do is it can get people talking. Prostate cancer is unfortunately a disease with a little bit of stigma, and it's things that people don't really talk about. So what we're really hoping by spreading this news and being here today is that it will get people to talk about their risk for prostate cancer, their family history, and the importance of going in to have that doctor's appointment and get screened.
What do you find are some of the biggest challenges when it comes to treating prostate cancer?
I think one of the first things that we see is that prostate cancer often isn't diagnosed as early as it can be. And so it's really important for us that we spread the word that people who are at risk of prostate cancer, which is anyone with a prostate, is really talking to their doctor and talking about their need for screening. And then, of course, what we see is on the other side in treatment is that we want to make sure that everyone, no matter where they live, the color of their skin, their zip code, and of course their bank account, that they have equal access to get those treatments that we know that can save their lives.
How do you think that corporate leaders can help when it comes to treating prostate cancer?
Well, it's a really exciting opportunity to see with our friends at Novartis what the partnership between nonprofits and corporate business leaders can do. And so if you are out there and you are wondering, how do we get involved in this? How do we help save men's lives with the #1 cancer in men? Just call us at Zero, and you can get involved in Blitz the Barriers.
Courtney, is such great insight there. We commend the work that you're doing. Thank you again for joining us here at the Stock Exchange to talk more about it.
Thanks so much for having me.
Courtney Bugler there, of course, she's the CEO and president of Zero Prostate Cancer. We're going to take a quick live look at the trading floors. This conversation is going to continue just moments after we saw that opening bell.